Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction for upcoming Mahzooz Draw 13 August 22. 1 to 10, 3, 8 and 10. 11 to 20, 11, 12, 14, 18 and 20. 21 to 30, 23, 24, 27, 29 and 30. 31 to 40, 31, 32, 34, 35, 37, 39 and 40. 41 to 49, 41, 44, 46, 47 and 48. This is 25 prediction number. The last result is 7, 9, 17, 19, 21. 9 match, 17 match, 19 match and 21. 4 number match. Previous video I said 12 or 21 will come. 21 come. This draw 2 chances have. Maybe 1 to 10 no number, or 11 to 20 no number. 2 chances have. If you want, select 10, 20, 30 or 40, any one number, or 11, 21, 31, 41, any one number. More chances to come this number. And 46 also chance have. Select one number like this: 24 or 42, 23 or 32, 14 or 41, 34 or 43. Like this you want to select it. Thanks for watching. Don't select all number from this prediction. Select 3 or 4 number this, then you select your lucky number also. 1 or 2 number will come 42, 49. Check the left side box, my old prediction videos. Thanks for watching.